Jan Mulkins will be in Galway on Tuesday the 14th of May at 6 p.m. in the Porter Shed, Ayr Square. Here's Jan.
Ik ben Jan Mulkins, Microsoft Data Platform en BI Consultant bij Ordina. En vandaag gaan we het hebben over Power BI. Power BI is de datavisualisatie en exploratietool van Microsoft. Power BI zorgt ervoor dat...
Jan will be talking all about Power BI, which is business intelligence like never before from Microsoft. And also about Microsoft Azure Machine Learning. The event will be on in the Porter Shed, and you can book your seat on either of two websites. Here's the first one, and I have a bit.ly for them, two of them. So that's the bit.ly here. Towards Personal Data Science with Power BI. That's the title. The 2-hour event. There's a full description of the event here. And there's also a supporting talk, Power BI Architecture for Everyone by Jan as well. So that's all the different elements that go to make up Power BI. And included in that is a question and answer session, which should be very interesting. The other one where you could book your seat is using this bit.ly. So we have the same description again, and you can also book your seat here if you like. So please do come along to this great event, Power BI event, with Jan Mulkins, Microsoft's most valuable professional for AI. Hope to see you there.